Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool fire bending edit on CapCut PC. So you're just going to have a video of your hand, preferably like it's moving more than this, and you're just going to get a video of like a fire on top of a black background like so. And you can either rotate it or not, so to you, just go to video, go to blend mode, and then select color dodge. You can either have the flames going upwards like this, or you can have it like throughout your whole entire hand like this. It's totally up to you, like how you want it. I'm also just going to go to the video, go to adjustments, adjust the saturation a little bit so that your hand looks like it's actually hot. And I'm just going to lower the brightness a little bit as well, and I'm going to up the contrast. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.